Okay, so if it works for you, this is cool. If it don't works, we have to continue with something different. If it works, you get the new version of Android with the possibility to root your HTC Desire HD. If it don't work, you have to continue and go on this website on XDA, you know, XDA developers, and you have to go on this thread, Downgrade from 3.13 since 3.0 ROMs. You have to download the taco root, the MISC version, the Flash HTC, and this pg98amg.zip. I have downloaded another one. I have downloaded these 4 different files, and I have created a new folder, this one, test, because I am testing it. And I have just copied and pasted the files downloaded, this one, Cunning, Downgrade, Flash, MISC version, and pg98 and Chiffergan multi-tools. I have downloaded it, and I have then extract the MISC version and the taco root. This is this one. I have extracted these 2 different files to this one and the taco root plus that. I have opened it, copied these 3 different files, and passed it here. After that, I have copied agb.exe, agbwinape.gll, and fastboot.exe and passed it there because this is my test folder. You can see that this is test folder. Then I have launched the CMG, and on CMG I have reboot my phone, and my HTC Desire HD is just on its normal mode. I have then connected to my computer, and I am go to the test folder. At this point, I have used the different commands. You can find it there. This is agb push tacoroot.sh /data/local/gmp/tacoroot, and it takes some seconds to do that. Then I have followed it with agb push misc underscore version space /data/local/gmp/. Then I have agb push flash flash gc /data/local, and the last one agb push pg98.img.zip /sdcard/. So I have just pushed the different files at different location on my phone. I haven't chosen the pg98amg download there. I have used another one. You can use the one you need. I think the one on the XDR is the best, but I haven't been able to download it, so I have used this one. RUU HTC WWE 13240 for Android 5, 6, radio 1228B, 6G, 140E, 26, 03, 02, 26, M, release, 155891 signed, .zip. You must have a .zip, and then you rename it on pg98img. When it's done, when you have done all these push files, you use the next command. This is the agb space shell, this one, and you get this symbol. Then you have to enter this command, chmod space 7555 space /data/local/gmp/star. You get this answer, and you have a new dollar space, and you have to enter /data/local/gmp/tacoroot space --setup, and there is new things there, and our phone is rebooting in recovery. So we get the recovery, but I haven't the recovery. I have just that. Then I have pressed volume plus and volume down at the same times and power, and I get this menu. And we have to continue. We have to press the power button just to reboot our phone. So we get that on this XGA thread. We get this command will reboot the phone to recovery. Once it's done, use volume up power, then choose reboot to reboot the phone. After it boots, it will boot loop that's expected. So we have to do reboot system now, like that. We get that. Success rebooting.img by OEM. And we must enter a new code. So we must have it will boot loop that's expected. So we must use this command. I am waiting for that. And we must use AGB shell. I am waiting for the phone doing something else. And then we have to root our device. We have to wait. And we get a vibration. And we get something there. And we have to enter now, charge only, and press AGB shell. And press enter, excuse me. Oh, it is just waiting. So we get that. And I press enter. We get $. And now we have to enter the next command. Excuse me. This is slash, please, slash data slash local slash gmp slash taco root space dash dash, excuse me, root. Enter. And our phone is now rebooting. So that was what I am waiting for. Rebooting in root. So I hope it will work. If it works, it will say that this is just amazing. And then this command will kick you out of AGB shell. So we need to return there and see the JAZ sign of root access. After which we can change the main version, create a gold card and undo taco root to boot the phone normally. So we have to wait when our phone reboot. And we have to wait. And our phone must restart. So we are waiting for that, and if it don't, we have to remove the battery. So I'm going, okay, cool, so I haven't to remove the battery. And we have to enter the next command. So press done and press enter AGB shell. So it's loading, and you have to enter AGB space shell, enter. And we get maybe something or not something. I'm waiting for an answer. We get JAZ. So this is just amazing. Thank you so much, Jude, for that. Peter Pilab, I love you. Okay, so it's not finished, so we have to continue that. Okay, I have waiting that for a few weeks now. So JAZ cg slash data slash local slash gmp, enter. JAZ, yes, dot slash misc underscore version space dash s space wine, oh venom 1 dot 00 dot 000 dot oh, enter. Misc version, set version will be changed to one patching and backing up misc partition. Okay, dot space, no space, slash flash, excuse me, flash gc, what's happened, enter. Writing gold card to SD card, dev block, SD card is golden, cool, dot slash taco root space dash dash undo, root removed, rebooting. So our phone must reboot. So we have some information. So the phone is rebooting, you see that. HTC Edition version 1 is based on a vulnerability independently discovered by both Justin Case and Dan Rosberg. I believe in overcut. Okay. Usage. Recovery. For this exploit to work, you must have booted recovery and list once after your last factory reset. Set up phone forward, remove taproot. Undo as removed taproot. Okay. After this command are done, the phone should get rebooted by taproot after it boots boot to bootloader to flash the 1.32 firmware. So we must reboot on bootloader mode, and the phone will do by itself the new command to flash the new pg98img.zip. So I hope it will work, because I am waiting that for 2 weeks, because my version 2.3.5 is not working for custom ROM currently. So my phone is now there, and I press done. Excuse me, done please. Yep. The command is agb reboot bootloader. Because we are using the agb.exe, we are trying to reboot our phone. You can see what there. And we are rebooting on bootloader. So you will see I press enter, and let's go to reboot on bootloader mode. And then it's finished. Okay, bootloader, we have to select go to bootloader, and on bootloader it must do something by itself. I have to wait, and we must have green lines with a blue bar there. This is that. And then the blue bar must be 100%, and after that we will have orange bar at this place. And after that we must have something different than main version is older, update failed, and I don't remember, press power to reboot your phone. You must have something different. So credits are for Gu, HL and Scotchy2. They made all this possible. Google created and coded MISC version and lots of other good stuff to make unlocking our phones doable and safe. Thanks to the Takorit team. Thanks to Scoregun for Flash GAC, donate to F and RevSkills. You can also thank me maybe, and thanks Peter Pilar for that. I am saying that, but I hope it will work, because it is not finished. I hope. You can see that I have this HBoot 2.00.0029, and it's confirmed the December 22, 2011 at 14:28:19. Let's go for the verdict moment. The orange bar I've promised. Checking pg98img.zip. You can check it, dude, please. I am just waiting for that. You can see maybe what I am doing with my fingers. Please. I don't want to see that. Is that working? Yes! Do you want to start update? I have to press volume up, and yes, this is working. Woo! Excuse me. Yes. Oh. We have just to use now during that it's doing the thanks button just there. Thanks him. We have to thanks, because this is just so amazing to get that, you know. Wow. So cool. So cool. Bootloader, okay. Wow. We have also to let a message, because this is just so amazing, thanks to our people working on that, because this is just amazing. I want to show you that stuff at the same time, so you have to keep the phone there, and for that I'm using my house case, because this is just an amazing house case. You have to see that maybe. Opsla. Here it is. Okay, we keep it just there. Oh, you are not seeing that? Okay, I keep it there just to show you after when it's done. Okay, so during this time, oh cool, post quick reply. Okay, quick reply. Thanks to all people. Oh please. Having working on that. So we have our phone rebooting. I don't know what's happened. And we get, you see that, we get the new HBoot or HE5, and we can know, no, what are you doing, Joey, please? After that, we can just reboot our phone. So to reboot it, you have to remove the battery, for example, or you are waiting just for that and just wait for it. I want to remove the battery because I already have done that, and I just need now to reboot my phone. To see that, having working on that, just amazing. Thanks. And you can now buy a beer for this people. Post quick reply. So we are rebooting our phone. Yes. And you can now go on Facebook and inform all people that it will work if it was working, if it works. I'm waiting for the reboot just to know if it works. But with HBoot or HE5, it's just yes, it works. I can't say something else. If it doesn't work, this is just you can't. So you press that, yes, is GHG back. So during this time my GHG is just rebooting. Please, my computer, what are you doing? Okay. Okay, so I am still waiting for the reboot. What is more there? We have and last message was the 10th October 2012. So I am just waiting for the reboot. Okay, so we have to try something else maybe because it's not working, and we have just to reboot it on bootloader mode. Okay, so I have removed from the Desire HG the battery, and it was not working because I can't reboot my phone. And so I get the HTC logo on boot and nothing's happened. I have so tried to flash the, I have tried to unlock the bootloader in order to root my phone, but it was not working. So I have asked myself, what can I do? And so I can't root because my bootloader was not unlocked. And I have tried then to go on fast boot to flash RUU. Another official ROM, but I have some issue with that, and I have then because on fast boot mode or hush boot mode, when I reboot on bootloader, it tried to launch the PG98 AMG, and I have that now on my phone, just to show you. So what I have tried to do, I have tried to remove the SD card and reboot my phone on bootloader mode, then on fast boot mode. Then on fast boot mode I have insert my SD card on my phone, and now I am launching this RUU. This is the RUU ACE HTC WWE underscore 124. You can find it on the thread I have thanks to before the downgrade from 3.13 since 3.0 ROM, and the last comment is mine. So thanks, just amazing, but edit. My GHD stay on HTC green logo, screen on rebooting. I have tried to unlock bootloader with fastboot, not working. Trying to use a RUU. Oh, and no, I am that. This is why I'm saying, oh, yes, I think it's working now. So the hboot has been downgraded to 0.85 from 2.00. You have seen that on the video just before. And I reboot on fastboot without SD card. I have said that because of the PG98 AMG. Then I put the SD card on my phone. Okay, I have this screen just right now. And greetings. The new ROM is now on your phone, and finish. And I am just using this RUU just there, and I am now waiting for the reboot of my screen, of my phone. So I am hoping that it works, and just to show you what is the... Okay, so I have just to reboot my phone. What is the version of my HTC Desire HD? I am waiting for the reboot because it could reboot or not, and I am waiting for that. I am waiting with you, so just wait a few minutes maybe. I have to cut the video just to show you if it works. It's just right now we can see it's, for example, 2037 there. And no, it's not midnight and 33, and this is 2038, and my phone reboot with Gingerbread. So I can say, yes, I succeed from Android version 2.3.5 to downgrade my HTC Desire HD with some difficulties, yes, but this is not Gingerbread, this is Froyo, excuse me. And so yes, I succeed on doing that, and this is very difficult because I used 2 weeks to do that. So thanks to, don't forget to thank me, because it was just so difficult for me to do that, and this is just an amazing stuff to do that. I will hope that you will like this review, and now I have just to show you that we are on the new Android version. This is a downgrade version. I am waiting for the loading just right now. Menu settings, and we are then on about phone software information, Android Froyo. This is version 2.2, and I have just to applause because this is just amazing. Yes. So thanks to have seen this video. If you have some difficulties, don't forget to ask me. Thanks again. That was Flo.